Get set, go! As they go down to the finish line. Here's your winner, Daniel. Here's your winner, Daniel. So they're right there. You can see closely. Right there. Oh, wait, they're going back. They're going back. Jaden off to the finish line. Jaden off to the finish line. He's heading down. Daniel right there. He's headed down. Here's your winner, Jaden. What a race to end off the night for the day. Your winner, Jaden. Jaden is right here on the left side. It's one more race. Off to the finish line. As we go. No, just kidding. All right, let's do a wheelie contest. All right, let's just do a little video of a wheelie. No, we're just going to do like for fun wheelies. It's the same video, dude. Like, yeah, off here. All right, Daniel, let's do this off the sewer. Daniel's going to go off the sewer, guys. All right, Daniel is ready to go off the sewer. He's going to jump off the sewer himself. You know these guys are professionally trained, don't have training wheels. All right, here we go. Daniel's about to do it. Go! Off he goes. He's coming out. Oh, stick that good landing. Oh, there we go. The wheelie. Here's Jaden sitting lonely like he always is. And Dan is over here doing bike tricks. Oh, as he throws his bikes because he can't stick the good landing. And there's Jaden. Daniel does better tricks than him. So